OYANG brand paper bag making machines. High speed, low noise, energy saving. Today, let us show you how we did it. As all we know, machinery is composed by mechanical parts and the electric part. Actually, most of the electric parts are same. They all import from Japan. But our machinery part is produced by ourselves, whose accuracy 20 times than others.
Now we are going to show you our CNC machining center. At present, we are the only manufacturer who under the 20 million world-class machining center in the machine packaging industry. Mainly imported from Japan, MAZAK and Okuma. Let's see what a modern high-tech machining center it is. First, MAZAK horizontal machining center. Second, MAZAK vertical machining center. Third, MAZAK CNC lathe using the latest smooth G system. Fourth, MAZAK 5-axis simultaneous vertical machining center. Fifth, Okuma MCR gantry type 5-sided machining center. What sets us apart from our competitors is that our main components are designed, manufactured, and inspected in-house, which means our production schedule is 24 hours plus 7 days. Trustful, and we can ensure the competitiveness of our price at the same time.
There are around 1,000 parts in B220 machines, but most important machine components produced by our CNC center. For example, the most important part like wall bolt, big hoop, former support, clamp, main wall bolt. The raw material is nodular cast iron, which made by molten iron, more force and wear resistance, high strength, high toughness. Machine running more stable and the machine life will be extended up to 80%. Big hoop, normal block casting, 5X machinery, perfect flexure planet. In 10 hours continually work, minimize the machinery error. Former support is to hold the big hoop. It should be strong enough for high speed and long time running. Compared with traditional machinery method, our CNC center have high degree of automation, no manual intervention error, and zero error in repeat positioning. Hi Emma, now you know what's the advantage of our machine?
Thanks, Louis. I fully understand. As a customer in front of the screen here, if you have any questions about our paper bag making machine, kindly contact us directly.
See you next time.